Hi gorgeous, this is Karen. Welcome to another video. I want to share with you in this video one of my favorite eye looks that I've been doing a lot lately. I noticed that I am just keep reaching more and more and more and doing this specific look more and more and more, and I really love it, and it lasts all day even when you're sweating. Just an FYI. To start with primer, I'm going to use my Urban Decay primer eyeshadow primer potion, which I really love. It gives great results. Sometimes you have to work hard to get product out of it, especially when it's not new, because I've been using it for a while now. You know, I bought it a long time ago and kind of forgot that I have it. But then when I was looking for products for another video, I rediscovered this. And now I've been using it all the time. Now, I do not wear a lot of eye makeup as of late, but when I do, this is exactly, I use this is exactly what I do. I use two eyeshadow palettes. Going Coconut by Colourpop, but you can use whatever neutral palette you have. You don't have to use this specific one. Just take something which has neutral shades. We're going to use two browns. We're going to use this one and this one. I'm just going to take a fluffy brush, taking this color here. This is a light shade brown. This is what I'm using. It's called Lovely Bounce. And I'm just taking it on my brush and applying it above my lid and in my above my crease and in my crease. Very, very simple. Nothing too much. It's a great mirror here. I always forget to use it. Just to give definition. Really, really beautiful shade. And then I'm taking a flat brush and taking the darkest shade in the palette. Just take a dark brown. It doesn't have to be, again, doesn't have to be this one. Just a dark brown, and just take on the tip, take off the excess and add to the outer corner, just to give some depth. Just like that. I'm just tapping like this and taking off the excess. That's it. Very, very simple. Now for the lid color, it really depends. There are two looks that I am gravitating towards lately, but I'm going to show you the one that I'm using the most. But sometimes I just want to keep to one palette, and I'm just using the middle shade from Going Coconut, which is a shimmery goldy pink color. It's just like that. This gold, well, it's a gold, it's more like a pinky pearly shade. Wait for it. Yeah, not gold, pinky shimmery shade. But if you have maybe this palette from Uden's Eye, Hella palette, that was a collaboration between my favorite YouTuber Angelina Nyquist and Uden's Eye, and you have this palette and you have this shade here, one of the most beautiful shades I've seen in a very, very long time. This one here. This is called, I have no idea. It doesn't really matter. It's the lightest one, and I'm just going to swatch it so you can see how gorgeous it is. Can you see that gorgeousness? This is very pretty, and on my eyelids especially. So I'm just scrubbing with my finger, which is my favorite tool for this job, or you can use a damp brush, which means that you take a brush, you dip in the color, and then spray it. That's what it means. If you do not know, but just that's it. That's all I'm doing. I'm just applying it all over the lid. I'm ready. So it's like a one and done, but with a bit of definition and depth. And this shade is just magnificent. Let's look at it again on my hand as a swatch. Yeah, and on my eyes. Just gorgeous, so pretty. Now I'll add some mascara and be right back. This is a final look. I added mascara. Look at that. This is so beautiful. Now if you're in a hurry and you don't mind that you don't have definition and you don't have darkness in the outer corner, you can just apply this shade as a one and done eyeshadow. That looks gorgeous. And as I said, this specific one from Uden's Eye lasts all day. All day, even if you're sweating and you're out and about in the sun. This is why I love it so much. It's so beautiful, it's shifting. I hope you can see the shift. And this is just gorgeous shade. Really love this Hella palette by Uden's Eye. It's out of stock, so I'm not recommending, of course, buying it because you can't. It's out of stock. But if you have it, then don't sleep on it. Use it. It's gorgeous. It's just beautiful. Okay, this is it. This is my go-to eye look as of late. What do you think? Do you like it? Do you have this palette? Do let me know. And if there's a palette that you want me to test, then write it down. Do follow me on Instagram at Karen Does Makeup. I do show there a lot of new releases, and I ask for your opinion if I should buy or not buy eyeshadow palettes. So do follow me there and help me choose an eyeshadow palette. I'm in the market to buy an eyeshadow palette, but there are so many. I will pop pictures here that you can see, but there are so many. Oh, with that said, I will catch you all in my next video. But before we leave, do give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Don't mind that. That's a swatch that doesn't want to go away anywhere. So thumbs up this video if you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe and join my family here on YouTube. We have a lot of fun creating things, experimenting, showing you new things, old things. So do subscribe, and if you do subscribe, then don't forget to hit the notification bell. And with that said, write something in the comment section down below. Let me know if you have this palette. If you have a signature look that you can recommend to me, then I will love hearing from you. And I will catch you all beautiful people in my next video. Bye.